Hi everyone, this problem belongs to Module 3 simulation. The given problem is an automobile production lines turn out about 100 cars a day, but deviations occur owing to many causes. The production is more accurately described by the probability distribution given below. So first row, production per day 95, 96, 97. 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. So corresponding probability values are 0.03, 0.05, 0.07, 0.10, 0.15, 0.20, 0.15, 0.10, 0.07, 0.05 and 0.03. Finished cars are transported across the bay at the end of each day by ferry. If the ferry has space for only 101 cars, what will be the average number of cars waiting to be shipped and what will be the average number of empty spaces on the ship? So, random numbers are given to you. So 97 to 80, 66, 96, 55, 50, 29, 58, 51, 4, 86, 24, 39 and 47. To solve this problem, we need to formulate this table. First column consists of production. This is nothing but the first row of a given value. The second one corresponding probability value. This also given in the problem. Now we need to find the cumulative probability value. So cumulative probability means we need to add up to that probability. So first cumulative probability value 0.03. Second cumulative probability value is sum of the first two probability values, that is 0.03 plus 0.05, which is equal to 0.08. Similarly, the third one, sum of the first three probability values, that is 0.15. So fourth one is sum of the first four values, which is equal to 0.25, next 0.40, 0.60, 0.75, 0.85, 0.92, 0.97, and the last cumulative value is it should be equal to 1 because sum of the all probability value equal to 1. So the cumulative probability last value equal to 1. So now tag numbers. So tag number starts with 0 and end with 99. So tag numbers are nothing but we can write using the cumulative probability value. So 0.03. So 3. So 0.08. So consider 8. Similarly 15, 25, 40, 60, 75, 85, 92, 97. So the tag numbers is a range. If number 3 is here, then one number before, that is 0 to 2. If 8 means we need to substitute 8 minus 1, 7. So next 14, 25 to, 15 to 24, up to 39, up to 59, 60 to 74, 75 to 84, 85 to 91, 92 to 96. So these are all the tag numbers. The second table, which is the simulated production for next 15 days. So the day next 15 days. So day 1 to 15 and corresponding random numbers. These random numbers given in the problem itself. So in the problem, random numbers are given to you. These are all the random numbers. 15 random numbers. We will use these random numbers in the second table. Okay. So random number 97. We need to find 97 belongs to which tag number. So 97 belongs to this tag number. So corresponding value 105 is the protection. Similarly for 2 to corresponding to tag number 2 corresponding production is 95. So similarly we need to calculate all the random numbers. So for number 2 the production is 95. For number 80 102 101 104 100 104 100 100 99 100 100 96 103 98 99 and 100. In the problem they gave that each day by ferry 101 cars are transported. So 101 ferry is like a big ship. Okay. See, in the ferry there are 101 parking places are there. So 101 cars can park at in the ship. So here 105. So 101 cars are parked in the allotted place. The remaining car 4 is waiting. So number of cars waiting is 4. So there is all the cars are filled. So number of empty space nil. So for next one value production value 95. So in the 101 places 95 parking places are filled by those production 95 cars. The remaining 6 spaces are empty because 95 plus 6, which is 95 plus 6 equal to 101. So how many empty spaces are there? 6. So number of empty spaces 6. No cars are waiting. In simple, so if car is production value is greater than, if production value greater than 101, so that production value minus 101, that is the number of cars waiting, which is equal to number of cars waiting. So here 105, which is greater than 101, so 4 cars are waiting. So 102, which is greater than 101, so how many cars are waiting? So 102 minus 101, which is equal to 1. So 101, so we can write greater than or equal to, so 101 minus 101, so empty. 104 minus 101, which is equal to 3 cars are waiting. So here, so 103 minus 101, which is 2 cars are waiting. So no, the other values are nil. So if production is less than, if production value is less than 101, so 101, the formula is 101 minus production equal to number of empty spaces. Number of empty spaces. So here 95 less than 101. So 101 minus 95, the value is 6. So here 100 is less than 101. So 101 minus 100 is 1. The other values are 0. So for 100, 101 minus 100, which is equal to 1. So 1 empty space is there. Similarly, for 99, 2 empty spaces. For 100, 1 empty space. For 100, 1 empty space. So just to remember that production value greater than 101 means production minus 101. So if production value less than 101 means 101 minus production. So using these two formula, fill the two column values, number of cars waiting and number of empty spaces. So 96, which is less than 101. So 101 minus 96, that is equal to 5. Okay, 98. So 101 minus 98, which is equal to 3. 101 minus 99, which is equal to 2. So 101 minus 100, which is equal to 1. So these are all the values of number of cars waiting and number of empty spaces. Now we need to find the sum of all these values. So sum of number of cars waiting. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. So number of cars waiting is 10. So number of empty space 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10 11 12 12 plus 5 17 20 22 23. So 23. So sum of the values 10 and 23. In the problem, we need to find the average number of cars waiting to be shipped and the average number of empty spaces on the ship. We need to find these two values. So average number of cars waiting to be shipped. So 10 number of cars are waiting. So using this value 10. So in total number of days, 15 days. So 10 by 15, which is equal to 0.67. So average number of empty space on the ship is, so 23 value, 23 is the value for number of empty spaces. So 23, so how many days? 15 days. So 23 by 15, which is equal to 1.53. So the problem is completed.